To change the battery of your Casio MQ-24 watch, start by flipping it over to access the back cover. Protect the back of your watch in case you slip in the next step. You could risk damaging it. You'll need a very thin object to lever the cover open. A butter knife would work just fine, but I still recommend the small kit I use. It's very affordable and includes everything you need to maintain your watch. You can order it by following the link in the description. Once unsnapped, it will be very easy to remove. Be aware, some watches are snapped much more strongly. Others have screw and some are literally screwed in. If you don't have the same watch, one of the videos in the upper right corner may be more useful to you. So, once opened, you'll see this piece of white plastic. Remove it with a small pair of pliers. It will be much more easier for the next steps. In most watches, the battery is just clipped, but in this case, there's a very small screw that needs to be loosened to remove the battery. You can then remove it with a small pair of pliers. Take a close look at the model of your battery as you'll need to replace it with the same one. In this case, it's an SR626SW. I'll left a link in the description if you wish to order one. Insert your new battery and push it with your finger to ensure it's properly in place. Tighten the screw just enough, but not too much. Then, reposition the white plastic piece. If you don't remember which way it goes, there's usually a hole in line with the crown to allow the mechanism to pass through. This piece that has just appeared, which has been discreet since the beginning of the operation, is the sealant. It's what makes your watch waterproof to a certain degree. So what just happened is not good. Make sure you put it back in place properly before closing your watch, otherwise you may break it the next time you wash your hands or walk in the rain. Finally, the cover of this watch is very easy to reinstall. Keep your watch on a stable surface like a table and push with your finger until it snaps. With certain watch models, you may need a watch press. But for this one, we're already done. I hope the video was helpful.